Everyone who owns a home in a homeowners association knows that time of year. In January assessments are due. But where does all the money go? What does the homeowners association do with the money? Initially, homeowners associations get their money from the developer, sometimes. Then lots are developed and sold and assessments are collected at closing. Every year that homeowner and all subsequent homeowners pay the assessments for that lot. All dues are deposited in a bank account named under the association. The association's operating account is used to pay for the day-to-day expenses, electricity, water, repairs, and the reserve account is used to pay for large projects or is kept as a savings account for years it is harder to collect assessments. Inflation and increased cost of living is serious for associations. If the association cannot pay their bills, the pool gets shut down, the street lights if owned by the association get shut down, etc. The association determines what they will spend on by proposing a budget. The budget shows each expense and whether the association will go over budget or need to raise dues. According to Texas law, budgets must be presented at an open meeting. Based on the budget, the association may discuss raising assessments. The association declarations typically explain the process by which the association may raise dues.
This video was created by the Law Office of Ashley Musselman, PLLC. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not legal advice. Thank you for watching.